If you're looking for the POCO X2 unboxing, you come to the right place. See, this is the POCO's smartphone's box package, but this is not for the POCO X2, it's for the POCO F1. The reason here for this video is that this is about how fake videos are being made and how you're a part of that entire ecosystem of fake products, fake boxes, fake phones, and still people watch it, people share it with their friends thinking that it's real, and you guys are always misled about things. It's not just the fake YouTubers, it's even the publications who pick up those fake YouTubers only knowing deep down that they are doing it and they are doing it in a wrong way. They know that it's a fake video and still they would link to it only because their article would get the views. The main thing here is that they get the views and they get an advantage out of it. So it doesn't matter for them if they link some random YouTuber, if they don't link, but linking them would give an obvious advantage that okay, I didn't know, I had linked to them because I thought that was a real phone. And in the end, the YouTuber is obviously going to get an advantage there. I'm not pointing out to one single YouTuber here. There are quite a lot. It has actually become a trend now. It has become a trend that many YouTubers would make a fake unboxing. It's not the known YouTubers. It's about the entire ecosystem. So I'm not going to point out at anyone. There are some of them who would actually make print out the box packaging's exterior and then change it and then make a fake unboxing with the same POCO F1. And say that it is a POCO F2 and the design is not changing, everything else is changing, even knowing that they know zero information about the real phone. So we don't know if the POCO X2 is coming, we don't know if the POCO F2 is coming, F2 Lite, F2 Pro. We've heard many rumors, we have heard some leaks as well, we have checked out the leaks, but in the end, if the company is not giving you the official information, how can you trust it? How can you trust it from other sources? You can go on and dislike this video, you can go on and report this video for being misleading and having fake content. But do it not just for this video, but for every video you know is wrong. You always share that stuff being funny, say that this guy has done quite a good job with faking up stuff. But that is hurting every other YouTuber, that is hurting even the consumers. There are consumers, there are actually innocent consumers who might think that okay, this is the phone, and they might actually turn down the decision of buying some other phone, and they might wait for this one, in the end being misled, and they might not even like the phone they have finally purchased after waiting because of that fake unboxing that they watched. It's a bad trend, you know, it's a bad trend, and even the brands know. They know that everything that is going out live on YouTube right now is fake, but they won't do anything about it. It doesn't matter to them. Also, they can't be the watchdog to keep checking out which is a fake video, which is a true one. And even YouTube, sometimes we blame YouTube for not doing anything about it, but what would YouTube do? YouTube is not a technology channel maintaining platform. It's a fully wide platform for every video. They can't go and fact check and check that okay, this is not the POCO F2's unboxing, so let's remove the video. They can't do that. In the end, it's content for them. Fake content or real content, it's for us, for the users, for the viewers, for the YouTubers, for the subscribers to understand. So if you're actually watching a video about the unboxing and you know that it's not even a phone that is real or live in the market, or even not officially announced by the brand, you should rather dislike the video and report it. You can do the same to this video, I don't care, but just I'm letting you know because there's a lot of fake stuff going on and you are being a part of it unknowingly. I hope you understand. I hope you don't increase the number of views of those guys and not search about the unboxing. You know that when a phone is not official, how would you even find an unboxing of the phone? Unless if it's from one of the very well-known YouTubers. There are some of them who actually get some exclusive content from some brands, and that's okay. And the brands also give them that exclusive content, and that's okay because those people are known and they are trusted for that. But from the unknown channels, you search for the same unboxing and you go watch those videos, share it. So that is you being a part of that fake stuff as well. So you are contributing to that. So let's not do it, and now let's at least start understanding that what is fake, what is true, and not go watch every video on YouTube which says that it's something exclusive. So whatever is exclusive is not always exclusive. So it's fake most of the times, except if it's known from some known YouTubers or from known publications. So that's it in this video. This was the POCO X2 unboxing. You know that this is not the POCO X2 unboxing, but still the title says it, so you came and watched it. And if you feel like you are misled, you're free to do whatever you want to do. And if you feel you are agreeing with me, you should share this video to others and let them know that they're also being a part of that entire fake community and entire trend of fake unboxing and fake reviews on YouTube. So let's at least start being better now. Let's at least start promoting the real content, promoting content that makes sense for you and not the fake ones. So that's it in this video. I hope you subscribe to this channel if you feel like you should subscribe to some real content and to something that is not misleading. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.